How do acids react? So in this example, metals reacting with acids, there's an easy way to remember the products. And the products you can work out are from mash. That's mashed potato. So magnesium, which is a metal, plus acid gives us salt plus hydrogen. So metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen, which spells the word mash. So if you write out a chemical equation, magnesium is Mg, sulfuric acid is H2SO4, magnesium sulfate is MgSO4, and hydrogen is H2. Base plus acid gives us salt plus water. So the base we're going to pick is magnesium hydroxide, and the acid we're going to use is hydrochloric acid. I remember that hydrochloric acid always makes chloride salts. So if this was potassium hydroxide, it would be potassium chloride. If this was sodium hydroxide, it would make sodium chloride. But we're using magnesium, so the thing we're going to get is magnesium chloride. And the formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. The formula of water is H2O. Now we need to balance this, because on this side, on the right hand side, we have 2 Cl's. On this side, we only have 1 Cl. So we do that by putting a number 2 there. So 1 MgOH twice reacts with 2 HCl. Let's check our oxygens. On this side, we have 2 oxygens. Remember that 2 refers to everything inside these brackets. So there's 2 oxygens on this side of the equation. But on this side of the equation, there's only 1 oxygen. So we need to put a number 2 there. And we can check if it's balanced by checking the hydrogens. So on this side, on the right-hand side of the equation, on the right-hand side of the arrow, this bit, there is 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogens. On this side, there are 2, because of the bracket there, plus 2 is 4. So that's a balanced chemical equation. Acid plus a metal carbonate. So a metal carbonate is the cation of a metal, i.e. a positively charged metal ion, with carbonate, CO3. And the charge on a carbonate ion is 2-, goes to a salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So all the hydrochloric acid makes chlorides. So if you fill this in, the product we're going to get is calcium chloride plus water plus CO2. And we need to check the balancing on this. So on this side we have 2 Cl's and 2 H's. So to balance this up, you have to put a 2 there. So a 2 in front of the HCl means we have 2 H's and 2 Cl's on this part, which is the left-hand side of the equation. And on this, the right-hand side of the equation, we have 1 calcium, 1 calcium. We have 1 carbon, 1 carbon. We have 1, 2, 3 oxygens, 3 oxygens. We have 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. So this is a balanced chemical equation. You might have come across calcium carbonate, limestone, marble, chalk, but it's also used in antacid tablets. So it neutralises the excess hydrochloric acid that you would have in your stomach.